Welcome to the 33 session of LMS for BSc students of mathematics subject for 5th semester. The paper is numerical analysis. So topic is finite difference, which is third unit in our syllabus. So under which we are going to learn today backward difference concept and problems on backward difference. So in the last session we came to know that how we can construct a forward difference table and concepts of forward difference table. Right? Now in this session we can able to understand the concept of backward difference, and we are going to construct a backward difference table and we are going to solve a problem on it. So backward difference. So here we required a function y is equals to f of x, in which x are called as the arguments and y are called as a entries. Right? So now to construct that, we have taken some values of x and y, that is entries and arguments. Arguments and entries we have taken. They are x are called as arguments and y are called the entries. Right? Now here the x values such a way that the consecutive difference of x values are same. If you make the difference, that is x1 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2. If you make this, their values are h. We can see it here. Right? So the h is called the interval of difference here. Now the corresponding values of y entries are, here it is, corresponding values of entries of y0 can be written as f of x0, y1 is nothing but an f of x0 plus h, y2 is equals to f of x0 plus 2h. Similarly, if you go on writing, yn can be written as y0 plus f of y0 plus nh. Now the difference that is f of x minus f of x minus h is called the backward difference of the function y is equals to f of x, and it is denoted by the operator delta. This is also a delta, backward difference operator delta. That is, we have wrote it here, the backward difference for the function, for a function, that is delta of f of x, delta of f of x, here it is, my is equals to f of x minus f of x minus h. Now we are going to construct a forward difference table, backward difference table. How it will be? Here it is. The backward difference table is here. Right? Now this is backward difference table. Now we can see that values of x are here in this column and values of y are here. Right? We can find that first order backward difference, second order backward difference, third order backward difference, fourth order backward difference, fifth order backward difference. Here if you observe that here it has been written from the bottom. That is, here the difference table is made from the bottom to the top. That is, if you go y5 minus y4, it will gives you the delta of y5. Right? Now here it is, you can see it here, y4 minus y3, y4 minus y3, it will gives you the delta of y4, y3 minus y2, delta of y3, y2 minus y1, delta of y2, y1 minus y0, delta of y1. Right? Similarly, if you go for here delta square, second order, that is delta of y5 minus delta of y4. Here it is. It gives you delta square of y5. Similarly, delta square of y4 is nothing but an delta of y4 minus delta of y3. Here it is. Right? Similarly, this minus this, it will gives you delta square of y3. That is delta of y3 minus delta of y2. Right? Now you can see it here. Similarly, fourth order difference, if we want to find this delta to the power of 4 of y5, we have to go for subtraction of delta cube of y5 minus delta cube of y4. That similarly, the fifth order you can see it here, that is fifth order is here. You can see that delta to the power of 4 of y5 minus delta to the power of 4 of y4. This will gives you the delta to the power of 5 of y5. Right, friends? So that is, we have wrote it here. You can see it here in the below. We have wrote the values here. You can see it. Right? Now we will take an example. Now we are going to construct by taking an example the backward difference table for the following data. Here they are given the data. The x values are here, arguments are here, and y is equal to entries are here. Now we will take these values data and we are going to construct a table for this. Now here it is. You can observe here the x values are here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50s, right? You can see it here, and y values are here. Now we are making the differences, that is 1.6990 minus 1.6020. What is its value? We are wrote it here. I'll show you. Here we are wrote the difference between these two, right? Similarly, if you make the difference of these two, the value is here. If you make the difference of these two, the value is here. If you make the difference between these two, the value is here, right? Similarly, if you make the difference between these two values, then the value is written here. If you make the difference of these two value, the value is written here. Now if you make the difference of these two, the value is written here. Similarly, I can get this, this and this. That is difference between these two values, right? Okay, fine. Now we want to find delta square of y50. Delta square of y50, that is second order difference of 50, right? Here it is. The delta square of y50 will be this one. We know that as per the table 50 is here, so it is delta square, it is table is here, so table is delta square of 5, delta square, this last value is nothing but my delta of 50. Similarly, delta cube of 50 will be here, right? Similarly, delta to the power 4 of 50 will be here, right? So delta square of 40, you can see it here, right? And delta to the power of 4 of 50, delta to the power of 4 of 50, here it is, right? These are the values of the table. Now some of the books for the references are here. We can use UG Mathematics titled Numerical Analysis by Mante Swami and College Mathematics also. These are the some of the references for you, and thank you.